Not every app on your phone is safe. Fake apps are everywhere, designed to steal your data or money. Here's how to spot them before downloading. First, check the developer name. Real apps are from verified companies. If the name looks odd or misspelled, that's a red flag. Second, read reviews. Fake apps often have short, generic reviews or lots of complaints hidden in the comments. Third, check the number of downloads. A popular app should have thousands, even millions of installs. If it's low but claims to be famous, avoid it. Lastly, look at app permissions. If a simple game asks for your camera, contacts, or SMS access, it's probably a scam. Stay smart, stay safe, and always double-check before you download. Don't let fake apps hack your life.